Are you good?
I'm good. Ready?
Boy, I'm digging this fan.
You like it?
Yeah.
Good. Watch out. They said shipping is hot. Let's stick together. All right.
Ooh, get shot at. Get down, get down,
Get down. Who's doing the shooting? What the
Well,
hell?
I'll never go without a fan.
Tyler, what are your flag colors?
Okay. What do you want to do here, Dad?
Urban is blue, bus is red.
Urban is blue, bus is red.
Yep, that
Thank
means
you.
Red owns it right now. Okay.
David, there you are. Cover fire in the bush. Road.
Moving up with Mike here.
David's inside this box.
Easy now.
Right there. See that box right there? His feet.
I see.
Put his hand out.
I see it. Oh, that's a red flag right there.
David's a badass.
I know. We got reds in front here, Dad.
I'm gonna push back to my old spot. I need some cover fire.
Copy, David. Tell me when you're ready.
3, 2, 1. I couldn't see anything from there.
Zombie up there.
Where?
Zombie. There's a zombie there. Woohoo! We got the flag! We got the flag! Hell yeah!
Yes!
Copy. Where are you at? Home.
Nice job, Blue!
Are we good to push up?
Knife fighting a child.
That I don't know. I think a zombie cleared out red in there, but I would not move up there. He'll probably see you.
Shall we move up?
Say again?
We gotta keep watching the side. I got like 3 of them trying to sneak around.
Copy.
They're gonna keep trying.
Finally.
Can you hold this direction here, David?
Yep.
Okay.
Got you.
I love this sniper.
Right on, man.
They're tuned up to the max.
How many joules you got there?
Whatever the limit is.
Nice. I have the same. Where are they coming from?
They're kind of going up that road trying to do the tree line.
Copy. All right. Well, between you and me, is that a bolt or?
Yeah.
Okay. I got a semi here, so between you and I, we can probably pin them.
I just got the last one, so I don't know if they're gonna keep
Oh,
trying.
you killed him, huh?
Oh yeah. I've been I got one guy through that little crack in these trees right here.
Hell yeah. Are those hey those are those reds? Are they in? I think those are reds.
Yeah, they're in, buddy.
Oh, one's down. Oh, he doesn't see us, or does he? He's hiding behind that tree. There he is. There he is.
He coming back.
He's down.
Alright.
Got him.
You know, we got him.
Nice shooting there, man.
Thank you.
Hell yeah.
I need to get the scope a little more centered, but
No worries, man. There's another one down. Nice ghillie too. Hell yeah.
$20.
Is that right?
20, 25 bucks.
Hell yeah. All right. Do you think you can cover this direction on your own?
Yeah, we're good.
All right. Couple.
Bunch of zombies up there in front.
I see them. That's why we shouldn't go in that direction. I just got a couple kills on this right flank. The Reds keep trying to come on our right side here.
Maybe we should position ourselves right up in those trees then.
Yeah. Well, we could. I mean, that's not a bad hiding place.
A couple reds, I mean, they're walking.
Red moving up. Red moving up. He's there he is. We're taking fire here.
Tyler, come on back with some food.
Zombie coming, let's go! That's a zombie.
Hey guys. I was gonna say, are they invincible right now?
Do nothing to me.
That's a call. Where are you guys?
Might have thought you were out.
Oh, Michael!
Is he coming our way?
He is. You got that pistol, man?
Yeah.
Is it loaded?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, should we take a shot?
He might be making his way here.
Try to let him get closer.
Yeah, yeah. All right, what do you want to do here? Another zombie on our left. And on our right.
We came down. Are we good?
I see you, Mike.
Zombie, 2 of them.
Look at him walk. Hey, watch that, Mr. Zombie.
Hold your fire.
Had him.
Oh, another one.
My pistol's on the back.
What did he say?
he's just laying down there.
Sorry?
Yeah, hold your, oh, watch out.
Tree.
Find the tree?
Yeah.
Okay. Pinning us down. They're trying to encircle us. Watch out, bus.
Yeah, I'm going in to get it.
Behind the tree as well. Careful. Oh, I'm sorry, man. Oh, you okay? Oh my God, poor zombie.
Go Jason.
Oh, jeez.
Go Jason.
This pistol's hit hard, man.
God, they sure do.
Got him again.
Oh God.
He's not going down. I'm
Hey,
one hitter.
let's go over to the bus. Mike's over there.
Okay, over to the bus.
Make sure you keep that zombie down.
11.1B. Yes, little black one.
Careful, he's got his sword there. More zombies coming. Zombies coming, watch out! You got ammo? You got to reload, man?
I do.
Okay.
I tried to shoot him. He's right there.
All right.
Can you try to cover me?
Yeah, yeah, I'll cover you.
Okay. Let's get up here or something.
Zombies, watch out!
I started shooting it and I realized I didn't have any more ammo.
Yeah. Another zombie right there with the sword. Oh. There's Mike and David.
Yep.
Where are you located? Our spawn.
All right.
Zombies.
More? Oh my God. Look at the way he's limping with that sword.
Zombie guys.
Zombie.
Necromancer.
Necro, watch out. Zombies are loose.
No, I'm not a fan of that. Run, Mike, run!
Oh my God! He stopped chasing you, Mike. Another one. Watch out.
He's coming back.
Oh God.
We're getting ready to take the Humvee, so we'll get on there soon.
He's down.
With a pistol?
He's down.
I shot it.
You shot? Okay. Yeah, keep that pistol ready, man. There's another one.
No, when he's screaming, that's when they're on the horde thing, so you can't kill him.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so if he's just walking, you can shoot him, but if he's screaming at you, then you can't kill him. Oh, I got you.
He's unkillable, Mars.
I got it on him. That squashed around a tree.
Did you, man?
You didn't even notice me, man. I just went around on the tree.
Hell yeah, man. Mike, you outran him.
Oh, yeah.
You did it, man.
He ain't gonna catch me.
Yeah, man.
You're gonna catch him. Come on.